In this video, you'll learn how to quickly export your GPG public and private keys on Linux. Step 1. List your keys to find your key ID. Run this command and copy the long string right after the slash. Step 2. Export your public key. This creates a text file containing your public key. Step 3. Export your private key. Enter your passphrase when prompted. Keep the generated file absolutely secret. Step 4. Export your ownertrust values. If you are migrating your keys to a new machine, you should also export your ownertrust values so you don't lose the trust relationships you've built with other keys. That's it. Your keys are exported. Copy all commands from the description below. See you next time.